Yo, 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 yo. Should be all good, I hope. Audio looks on point. Music should be good. What is happening, y'all? We're going to play with some tweaks tonight. A more reasonable time here to be streaming, right? What's happening, everybody? Change my setup again. No, it's all the same behind me. I mean, the layout of the items and stuff is a little different. I adjusted the chat box slightly. Had a little bit of a hiccup with the internet speeds there for a second, which is unfortunate, but it should be good. We're all green. But yeah, I'm going to play with some tweaks tonight. So the last live stream we did easy weather, and I did that the whole stream for like 2 hours. So I figured we shall play with some tweaks, and I'll kick it off because there's a lot of people that view these after I live stream them. So I try to put that in my head and consider, you know, what they might want to see right away. So I think I'm going to go through all the tweaks that are currently on this iPhone, just so you guys can see what I all got. I love this setup that I'm running right now, but I might on stream make a completely different setup and just see how it goes. I was thinking about doing a Killa setup because I haven't done one jailbroken on iOS 14 yet. The last time I did a jailbreak Killa setup was iOS 13, so we're a little overdue. And that is one of my favorite themes, along with this one. This one's Leto. This theme looks really, really good. But I hope you all are having a great Friday. Hey, Steve. That's much appreciated, bro. Yeah, thanks, man. I'm on that daily grind every single day. Trying to do it like we did it back in the day. That is much appreciated, Steve, though. Thank you so much for that. Means a lot. But like I said, we're going to go through the tweaks here. So I'm just going to go into my settings and show you guys what I'm rocking on this phone. I got Taurine, I got Zebra, 14.3, a load of tweaks. It runs amazing. Like if I go into drain, like my battery is, like that is, to me, really, it says discharge increase, but it's not hardly any, it's hardly an increase. Like minus 75 milliamp. Not much. So battery is phenomenal on this with all the tweaks I'm running. It's snappy, it's fast, it's stable, it doesn't crash. Like I said, Taurine, I got Zebra, 14.3. Let's hop into tweaks. All right. So like I said, I'm going to go through the tweaks, what I got on here, and then we will start customizing. So we'll just start from the top. I got a font, of course. Everyone asked me what font I'm using. It's Odin Rounded. You can get it from dafont.com. And I know a lot of people have issues with a font. It hasn't been updated in a long time, so it works pretty good for me. It doesn't work in every single application, but it works in a lot of them, and I don't have any issues. But if you guys have issues with a font, just remove it. But it seems to work fine for me. So I got Alert Annie. I'm not really using that right now, so I'm not going to talk about it. I got Anim Plus. I think there's an update for this. I need to check on that. But this is what allows me to speed up my iPhone and make it so snappy and fast. It's definitely one of my favorite tweaks on iOS 14. Super quick. Springboard options here. These are my settings for people that like to get the tweak and copy the settings so they can understand what it feels like to have a super fast phone. This is what they're at. App animations, I have left those the way they are. And then extras, I haven't messed with any of that either. I literally just got it for speeding up my iPhone. And then we got Big Sur Center. Hope you guys saw that review of this tweak. This thing looks sweet. So this is Big Sur Center. Replaces the control center. Looks awesome. I still like Prism though. I don't know. Prism's a little bit more customizable, but it's kind of fun to switch it up and use a different control center tweak. So Big Sur Center. completely customizable. Like I said, I did a review on that. It was the 5 o'clock upload today. And of course, we got my boys Boxy 4. If you guys didn't know, Bill live streams this tweak and coding it basically. Such a great time. So as you guys can see right in the tweak, you got his Twitter handle, his YouTube, and his Twitch. Fun fact, he's actually live streaming tweaks right now, creating tweaks by using or doing it by code. It's pretty freaking cool. So if you guys want to see how tweaks are made, check out his live streams. Really, really cool. We got Chat UI. This is a new tweak. Oh, I messed up. I meant to go through my messages, and I could always do that here on stream, but I just got to disable the screen. But this lets you customize the messages app, basically all the colors and everything. And it's pretty cool. Did I adjust global? No, it was dark. Maybe I didn't. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I mean, look at the color control. Like, you got that's a lot of color control for your messages app. Like, it just goes for days. So you can make your messages look like super custom with this tweak. Very cool chat UI. Coloration, that's how I'm coloring the status bar battery and all that. This tweak lets you color like everything as well. So status bar, all the different colors, system-wide colors. Like, look at that. Home screen, lock screen, apps, system colors. Pretty vast tweak. A lot of control with it. Sweet tweak. Coloration. Haptic 14. Can't live without this one either. Love the haptics. Can you jailbreak iPad 5th gen with checkrain? I don't know. Which chip does the iPad 5th gen have in it? Is it A11 or older or A12 and newer? Because if it's A11 and older, you can. Home bar themer. That's how I got the home bar so tiny. Cool, simple little tweak. You literally just have the width and the height and then the color. Stupid simple. Icon cert. So on my touring app, it's the Red Bull app if you didn't know. There is my certificate, and you can see how many days until it expires. You can see it on over here too on Alt Store and Uncover. So that's a pretty cool little tweak. The hard thing is it's like I think it's in German maybe. You see it says like Zeet format and Deckcraft, and then oh wait, did they update this? Top padding. It might have been updated, but it wasn't just German, which is crazy. Yo, Lucas. Yo, much love, man. Thank you so much. Much appreciated, man. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm trying hard. Doing a lot of videos. I'm actually getting kind of bored of my style, so I'm going to be kind of changing it up a little bit. I've been getting different stuff for the videos, and I'm trying to expand and improve over time, so the videos might start to slowly evolve a little bit differently. Like I said, coming soon. Stay tuned. It's a never-ending kind of process. I feel like is improving the videos, making them cooler, make them look better. But much appreciated. Thank you so much for that super chat. That's huge. But yeah, so icon cert, so you can see your certificates for whatever apps you might have with like Alt Store or wherever. So you can see how long you have until the certificate's revoked. That's a really cool tweak. Like I said, it's a little weird though because the language is a little different. We got Insta Launcher too. Basically, if that little tab on the right-hand side of the screen, swipe it over, a shortcut to applications. It's almost like the iPad dock, but in a little tab in the corner. Really cool tweak. Insta Launcher too. Like I said, later in the stream we will dive into the settings and stuff and kind of mess around with them, and I'll show you guys how they work and stuff like that. Jelly Lock Reborn on the lock screen. Still being worked on. That's the fingerprint scanner, and this is Jelly Lock Reborn. Like I said, dev is still working on it. It needs to be updated a little bit. It's a little bit buggy. A lot of tweaks on iOS 14 are still kind of buggy there. They're trying to get fixes out for them as quick as they can. It takes time. So yeah, Jelly Lock Reborn is really, really cool. Wallpaper? Yeah, I mean, I can, bam. A live stream wallpaper. There you go. Telegram link is in the description if you're wondering. So if you want to scoop up that wallpaper. Yeah, I got juice. I can't remember my freaking login for SparkDev's thing. I forgot my login, so I'm not using it right now. I'll have to go into like 1Password and figure out what that is, but I'm not using it. Lattice for the keyboard, another must-have. I seen there's actually there's a tweak that just came out. I gotta check it out. It lets you create these keyboard themes from the tweak somehow. I gotta check that out. It might be worthy of a review, I think. But yeah, Lattice to customize the keyboard. We got the MacBook Gold currently. I also got MacBook Red. Yeah, no problem, man. Lock Plus, of course. You guys know I love Lock Plus. Lumi. I can't remember. What is Lumi? Sometimes I install stuff and I don't remember what it is. In the transparent keyboard? Full resolution image. What was this tweak? Hold still label, mirrors. Oh, this is, oh yeah, this is from, I forgot the name of the developer. I apologize, but it lets you get the kind of 12 camera features, the like low light on older iPhones. Really cool tweak. Lumi. Magma Evo to customize prism colors. We got notations. This is pretty cool. Let's see if I can remember how to do it. I think it's triple tap the home screen. Yeah, and then you just tap, and then you tap again, and you can make... Here, let me move it up here. You can drag it anywhere, tap into it, and then you can make notes, right? Like that. You can click done, and then you just tap, and it goes away. And then triple tap again, and then boom, there's your note. And you can tap... Let's see here. I think you can expand it. Yeah, you can make like this note list. You can lock it so that it doesn't move or anything. Unlock it. I thought there was a way to add more than just one. Maybe not. But still, that's pretty cool to make notes. That's notations. Really cool, simple tweak for notes. And again, it's like, it's in a different language. I've been finding these really cool tweaks like in different languages. The theme I'm using is called Leto. It's available through the Leto beta repo or on Gumroad. And it's spelled L3TO. OpenSSH. I need that. And then Orion is a new tweak. Another freaking sweet tweak. I got to do a review of this. It's going to be a long review because there's literally so much stuff you can do with Orion. It's like Springtomize or Lynx, kind of like that, but with some different options. Orion is freaking sweet. Prism, not using it right now because I'm using Big Sur Center. Quit All to kill multitasking. You guys probably know that one. Rainbow, I'm not using right now. I have Rofi. It's kind of the same concept as InstaLauncher. I like InstaLauncher just a little bit more. Sentinel, so I don't lose my jailbroken state. I did a review of this recently as well. Really cool tweak. Shuffle for the settings. Shuffle is finally updated for iOS 14, which is sweet. And that's what allows you to rearrange settings. Snowboard, of course. Here, I'll show you the name of Leto so you know how to spell it. Boom, bada bing. Look at all that stuff. Leto is fire. Like, look at the different folder icons. Badges. I wish there was previews for the badges. I use the Ken badge though because it looks awesome. AEs. Yeah, dude. Yeah. Look at the clocks. Got the rollies. This theme is amazing. And then Leto itself. 2 different packs. The docks. Look at the docks. Sick. I got some other themes, but yeah, snowboard, of course, guys. Along with all the extensions that are needed. And hopefully we see some snowboard updates soon, because I really don't like how the folders over here, the folder images, have the AE effect on them. I wish I could like remove that so it looks a little bit cleaner. This looks a little weird having an AE there. Toonsy, I can't get it to work. TouchFlow, I'm not using that because it bugs out my phone when I'm trying to live stream. Velox Reloaded caused me an issue on stream, so I'm not going to use that. Velvet for notifications. Velvet makes them look like that. The colored banner top portion, and then just the overall aesthetic of it is Velvet. Zen HTML, because you know we need widgets. And then Xenon, so I can connect to my Mac and transfer files. It's like files on the Mac, and you can just transfer your jailbreak stuff. And I probably have a bunch of stuff that isn't like in preferences. I mean, of course, I have like terminal. I think I got iCleaner somewhere. iSecure OS, iCleaner, yeah. Lots of little things. If I hop in Zebra here. I got 210 total packages installed on this phone so far. Starfish Beta Tweak. It sounds familiar. Ooh, I don't know. Is this going to cause me issues on my phone? I feel like that's going to come into conflict with a few tweaks I already have, like Boxy. It looks neat that you can have your time and media and some other stuff there. $250 for it. Are you the developer of it? You can't get a font to work? I don't know, man. It just works for me. I mean, I haven't done any like custom settings or anything. It just works. But yeah, this setup is awesome, and I've been playing around with a shortcut by Tito, and you guys know me and shortcuts. Here, let me open it. So right here, it's called Snapshot. It's the reddish one, and this lets you save an entire jailbreak setup. So everything, the wallpaper, all of the settings of every tweak, or at least most of the tweaks. Some of them are a little weird, but basically you can run it. You can switch your setup by name, by image, save a new setup, add a pick to a setup, update current setup, rename setup, delete setups, speed setup, extra tools, and info and how-to. Like I said, this is for jailbreak setups. Really cool shortcut. And I have just saved my one so far. I'll probably do a full tutorial on this shortcut. But yeah, I might demonstrate it towards the end of the stream. And I'll save like a new setup, and then I'll switch back to this one and see how it works. See if all the tweaks are in their correct state and all that. Which source for Big Sur Control Center? Let me take a look-see. Twict repo. It is $1.99. Are you on Taurine? Because for Big Boss on Taurine Jailbreak or Cydia or anything that's not Uncover, this is the proper repo you need right here. And it's like apt.thebigboss.org/repo files/Cydia/. That's the proper. I think there's like an issue. There's like a regular Big Boss repo link or URL. And then there's this one. At least this one works for me. As my zebra's not refreshing. To fix that, you usually just kill it and you go back in. It's just because I have so many repos on. I have like 114 repos or something like that. Something stupid. And my Mac Mini keeps trying to paste on it. Okay, it looks like a couple of repos aren't working right now, but that's okay. Anim Plus and Big Sur Center got an update today too. What's new? Ooh, what's this new Prism? Yeah, that's pretty hot. April? Oh, this lets you customize settings, looks like. That's a lot of settings. That's kind of cool. That's new. What's this? Pixel theme? That's kind of cool looking. Really vibrant. All right, let's update these packages. Oh, what's that? Do a respring. iPhone SE 2nd gen. I'm assuming that has a newer chip than an A11. I can't remember which one that has. If it's A12 or newer, then no, there's no jailbreak news. And for anybody that's curious about jailbreak news, check out the first link in the description. Yeah, no, there's no jailbreak for that yet. Trust me, if there was, I would have it covered. All right, we're updated. I wonder what Anim Plus updated. Is there any new features? Nope, looks the same. Oh wait, is Unlock Cover Sheet new? I don't know. I don't know. But should we say bye-bye to this setup and start making a new one? Maybe with Killa or something like that? I'll probably play with Orion on stream too, because I need to really dive into this tweak so I can do a review of it. There's just so much crap in here that I don't even know where, like, look at all this. It's freaking nutty. Is there an untethered jailbreak? You'll probably never see an actual untethered jailbreak ever. There's semi-untethered, like Uncover or Taurine, and then there's semi-tethered, like Checkrain. There hasn't been an untethered jailbreak since like iOS 5, so I don't think we'll ever see an official untethered. Yeah, dude, Orion's crazy, man. I was like, I noticed it, and I'm like, I mean, I can't remember how much it was, like a couple bucks. And I was like, all right, let's just download it and try it out. Like, I thought the icon looked cool, and I downloaded it, and I was just like, it blew my mind how much stuff you can do. Like turning this on is cool, like your RAM info and your network speed. And then if I just go ahead and respring quick. Yeah, no, Lynx 2 is dope. I've had that for a long time, ever since it released. But Orion's a little different. Oh, maybe I didn't enable it. And I always forget, it's right here. Oh, there it is. Yeah, check that out. We got like network speeds and RAM info in the status bar now. It does impact batteries slightly though. So that's why I've been keeping it off. Clear the RAM. You really don't have to on iPhone. It manages the RAM so well that it's already pretty much as fast as it's going to be. So RAM doesn't really affect iPhones. And it's an iOS thing. iOS is just so optimized. New tweaks for iPad Pro videos. Well, I don't have an iPad Pro. I might be getting the new M1 one, but I don't think that's going to be jailbreakable for some reason because it's got a Mac chip in it. So I guess we'll see. But I did do a recent iPad tweak video a little while ago. You can just search for it. Got some cool tweaks on there. Yeah. All right, let's say bye-bye to this setup and maybe do like a Killa setup because that'd be kind of cool. So let me clear my palette of coolness. So first we're gonna go into snowboard and just go ahead and churn this all off. Do a quick respring. Yeah, rip setup. It's always the hardest thing. Like when you have this like sweet looking setup to erase your palette and then start all over. It's just so hard to do sometimes, especially when you got Leto, because Leto looks so damn good. There we go. Bye bye. I mean, it's still cool looking with stock icons. I think this setup in particular. Check my other phone quick. All right, I think I need to download Killa because I don't have it. All right, Twict just work. Thank you. I feel like Twict has been getting some updates because it used to be so buggy with Zebra. All right, we got Killa. All right, Killa. Killa theme, special icons. Icons, missing bundle IDs. And we'll leave the AEs alone right now. So let's go ahead and apply. Bam. Freaking sweet. All right, let's clean up some of these icons. This is probably gonna be laggy, so there's so many icons, but I want to use a special icon for Tweetbot, I think. But to get to those, we need to scroll all the way through like over 1,000 icons, I'm pretty sure. Just go all the way to the bottom. Ooh, that's glitchy. There we go. What do we want to use for Tweetbot? Mandalorian? The font is Odin Rounded. ODIN. Available on dafont.com. And there's probably not going to be a taurine icon either. So let's make it a custom one. Scroll through 8 million icons. There we go. Where's all the cool ones? Am I blind? There we go. Alright, what should we use for taurine? That's if I even keep the icon on the springboard. I might not. I don't know, just the purple iPhone one, I guess. Why not? And I like the way the Orion icon looks. Like, I don't want to change that. If you have any jailbreak questions on what you can jailbreak, check out the playlist link in the description. It's at the very top. I have my most up-to-date jailbreak information there. Alright, so I don't really want the springboard layout like the same. I kind of want to like make it a lot more minimum. So let's just get rid of some of these. What do I want out? I want Zebra, Taurine, settings, Orion for sure, files of files. I don't need that. I could keep health out. I don't need FaceTime. I don't need maps. Yeah. What are you? Oh, deliveries? I don't need that either. Take the App Store out of here. The Uzi? Oh, that's a good idea, actually. See if I can find it. Go through a million icons again. Alright, where is that Uzi at? It's up here, isn't it? No, maybe not. I can just search it, can I? Oh, dang it. Gun? Nope. I don't remember what the name would be. Let me try and find it. On all those shortcuts you have, is there notification badges for those? I don't know what you mean by that. You mean the custom icons you can make stock iOS, no jailbreak? You cannot get notification badges on those. Not possible right now, unfortunately. I wish I knew the name of the Uzi icon so I could just search it. That would make my life easy peasy. Where is it? It's around here somewhere, I thought. Did I just go right past it like a dum-dum? It doesn't help. I can't remember the actual... Up? Oh, where's it at? Alright, let me go slower. Yo, that N64 icon is freaking sweet. I've never noticed that. I want to use that for Delta. I'm going to use that for Delta. I'm going to remember it's there. N64 for Delta, don't forget. Okay. It's in these custom icons. I know that. I passed it again? I think the stream lag is throwing us off, bro. Oh, there it is. Is that... yeah. Okay. Yo, that looks cool with the icon cert on there. Good call. All right. So I want to change the layout to be real simple. So the reason I did this was to throw that there. I don't need Gmail. I'll remove that. And then, oh yeah, Delta N64. Oh. Alright, please let me just search. Dang it. Nintendo? Dang it. We gotta find it. It's way at the bottom. Somewhere. I think I need to go. I think my best bet is just to go like all the way to the bottom. There we go. And then go up from there. Alright, N64, where you at? It was a black icon. Twitch icon looks cool. It was on the right. Hope it didn't move on me. Oh, I think they moved because this one's in a different spot. There it is. Bam, that's sweet. All right, we're getting somewhere. It's already been 40 minutes. Holy crap. Yeah, don't promote that stuff, man. And yes, I am friends with the developers. Speaking of developer friends, if you guys know this tweak, Boxy for this tweak, the developer is live streaming on Twitch right now, and he's coding it live, showing you how to code tweaks. Pretty cool. And it's a freaking cool tweak. And he's working on updating it for iOS 14. A reboot loop. Have you tried to hard reboot it? I've done many boot loop videos and how to get out of it. And actually, those are the most successful videos I have on my channel, surprisingly, is how to get out of boot loops. Okay, so we want to... Oh, that's for the dock. So we can adjust with Boxy. So we don't want it like that. Yeah, like that. And then this. We want icon. No, I like the size of them. Go like this. Spread some that way, and then right. Maybe something like that. And then we can move that. I don't know, maybe something like that. Getting there. Yeah, the jailbreaks like Torian and Uncover, even checkering can cause boot looping. It's just the nature of how the jailbreak is injected into the iPhone. Just kind of how they work. They can cause boot looping pretty easily. Yo, yo, yo. Bam. I feel like they look smaller. Did I make them a little bit too small? I think I did. Oh, wrong way. Now they seem a little bit too big. Let me revert it. There we go. That's what I wanted. Should we have a no dock setup? It's just how the jailbreak is injected. Usually it's, I believe how it works is it's injected on a boot up. That's why when it goes through the jailbreak process, it boots back up. So Uncover and Taurine, that's when it boots up, is I'm pretty sure that's when the jailbreak is injected. And if there's any issue, it'll basically boot loop. But like I said, all you got to do to get out of that is to do a hard reboot on your iPhone. And if it's like 10s and newer, it's volume up. So just click volume up, click volume down, and then hold the side button, and it'll do a hard reboot. All right, snowboard. Icon, is it under icon options? No. I think we could, let me look at Orion here. Home screen, enabled, dock. So does that get rid of the dock though? What's telling you to update to 14.4.2? Oh, I'm not sure, man. It works for me, and I've done videos on it, and it worked fine. Okay, is there a dock there? Or is it just invisible? There is a dock there, but I mean, it doesn't really matter. Whoa, 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 whoa. Cool, cool, cool. Let's go in here. Like, what would this look like? Is it too busy? It's kind of sweet. Yes, Taurine and Uncover support 14.0 through 14.3. Whoa. My stream gets so bugged out when I pick a wallpaper. Not sure why it does that. That's pretty cool. Let's throw snowboard. Oh, wait, up here? Yeah. Yeah, there we go. That looks good. It's kind of weird without a dock. Maybe I'll put a dock back. It's clean without a dock though, right? But let me get rid of that RAM info before it starts killing my battery. And network speed. Get rid of those. This wallpaper does look really good in person. Should we make the battery purple? That would be cool. Like that. See what that looks like. No, I'm good. I don't really like that purple. It's too dark. Coloration, status bar, fill color. Maybe a brighter, like that one, maybe. Maybe that one looks so weird. Yeah, a little too bright still. So maybe... I wonder what that would look like. The Boss AE, the one I'm using, I believe I got from iHeaven Discord. Otherwise, Leto has its own. That's kind of simple looking, right? Kind of cool. What else could we do? I'm pretty sure the cool thing with Orion is for like what's edgy? This module shows a line around the screen which can have some default color or gradient and also change its color depending on the currently opened app. Incoming notification. It has a nice visual effect. I don't even know what that means. Should I just respring and see what it does? I'm so new to Orion. I don't know everything it does. There is no jailbreak for 14.4.1 for the iPhone 11. If there was, I would have covered that. Only the iPhone 10. Okay, well my phone doesn't look any different after adjusting that. Edgy. I'll just disable it for now. Let's look at other stuff. What's battery line? This module shows a line around the notch. Oh, one of those. Okay. Bluetooth battery info. What can you do with the keyboard? Jesus. Okay. I don't want to mess with that because I have lattice. There's literally so much stuff in this freaking... What's home screen options? All right, general. So you can change the layout. We're good because we got Boxy. You can disable the widgets page, disable parallax effect, opening app, no animations. Apps with revoked profiles open normally? What is that? You can open revoked apps still? Weird. Hide icons, custom app download progress bar. That's cool. Custom color. Neat. Okay. Page dots. There's so much in this tweak. It's insane. That's a Zebra feature. Yeah. Zebra lets you install debs. I don't think that you can like share sheet it to Cydia. I don't think that'll work. Force touch menu. Oh, this has a copy bundle ID in it? Well, I didn't know that. I have a tweak for that when I don't need a tweak for that. See if I can find it. This song's dope. Turn it up for a minute. There, I'll just do that. I'll just put him on timeout since he wants to sit here and say stuff. And yeah, I do vape. I used to smoke cigarettes. Started vaping like 6 years ago, so. And the flavor I got is cheesecake graham crust. Made it myself. It's delicious. Yeah, I did the PPSS stuff. I have Delta on this phone, and I think I have my whole library. Yeah. Do you even retro game? That's a library right there. Yeah, dude. Plus the Backbone 1. Doesn't get any better. Ooh, how's my music sound? It looks like it might be a little loud. Retro games, please. Do I? Oh, I think it's downstairs. My Backbone 1. It's like literally having a PSP or PPSSPP or whatever with the Backbone 1. It's such a great combo. All right, what should we do? Should we check out some widgets for this setup? Oh, I wonder if I could find, I bet I can find it. Let's see here. I haven't, where is it? Try and find that really cool one by Daddy Cool. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Oh, it was deleted? Dang it. Why was it deleted? Dang it, I wanted that one. Well, so much for that idea. The autograph one always looks good. It looks good with like any setup ever. No. Yeah, maybe this. Oh, I didn't make that customizable. I'm a dum-dum. Was it like right there? Well, nope. It's doing the not multitasking thing too. Maybe right there. Not too bad. Simple looking. Looks like they're floating off in space. Doing good. Hello from Australia. It's got to be like morning time there or something. Do a collab with PewDiePie? Right. All right, let's try this shortcut now. Okay. Let's see if we can't get this to work. And earlier it actually kind of bugged out and I had to do a reboot, so hopefully that doesn't happen. But you don't know until we, try it. So, it's save new setup. Enter the name. Okay. Okay, so we saved this setup. Now let's see if we can't not crash our device and switch back to the Leto one just to see if this works. So we just open up Snapshot, switch by name, and we just click on Leto. Fingers crossed. Oh, we got a respring. Now check this out, guys. I hope it works. Hopefully this looks promising. This is like what we started with. Hey, look at that. That is super cool. That's an awesome shortcut. So let's switch back to the Killa. So I need to do a video on Snapshot because that's awesome. So switch by, nope, not image. Didn't mean to do that. Let's try that again. Switch by name. And Killa. Alright, please don't freeze. Shortcut by Tito. Bam, look at that. That's a cool shortcut. Available in iHeaven. The glyph on the lock is called Jelly Lock Reborn. So that's freaking cool. And it saves everything like your wallpaper or whatever you're using. Speaking of wallpaper, what does this one look like? Kind of like the one I got, but I go through this like stage of like trying 8 million wallpapers before I decide one that I like. Like, that looks pretty good. Dark wallpaper. There is, if you want the most up-to-date jailbreak information, check out the playlist link in the description. You can find all the info there. HQ icons has been updated. This is a cool theme. I was using some of those icons for a while. Alright, what should we play with now? Should I? No. Is that notation still there? It is. That's funny. Get rid of that. So I don't want that there. Try to break this up a little bit. It's a little bit better. Just over an hour. All right. Yep. Like, what does this do? Was it different? It seems different. Interesting. Yeah, it might be slightly different. Alright, let's keep playing with Orion because I feel like there's so much in here that I just haven't discovered yet. Like, what can you do here? So battery customization. Percentage inside. What can you do with colors? Oh, this is cool. You can have a default color, a charging color, low power mode color, and a low battery custom color. This is freaking cool. So actually, let me, back up. Let's respring it so the percentage is in there and see what that looks like. Orion's crazy, man. So, I mean, that looks good. Just battery percent. Like, does it? Yeah, there's still color there. What's in miscellaneous? Oh, you can have a banner for a low battery. Screen corner radius? What does that mean? Like, what does that do? Okay, if I put that to 25, what does that do? I don't even know what half the crap Orion has is. So it doesn't... Is that like in-app? Huh. I don't know what that was. Screen corner radius. I don't know. Lock animation. What? What is this? What is all this? Animate like CRT TV? What? Let's see what that looks like. So is that like old TV tube? I wonder if that's what that is. Date under the time? Yeah, that's a cool thing to do too. You do that like with, do you have Nice Bar? Or are you using Orion to do that? Oh yeah, old TV tube. You guys see that? Bam. That's super cool. Man, Orion does so much stuff. Oh, you can change the animation duration as well. Disable shortcuts, app notif. Disable paste banners. Oh, I need that. Gestures. Holy crap. Okay, swipe up from bottom of screen to what? Enable custom actions? What is this? Dude, this is mind-boggling. Oh, Orion, yeah. Dude, this tweak is insane. It's freaking nutty. Reachability actions. Lock the screen. Like, what else can you do? Holy moly. Jesus. How am I going to review this tweak, dude? It's going to be like a hour-long review. Like, it's going to take me ages. Oh, Jesus. That's just gestures. Like, let's just... What was this one again? Only when device is unlocked. That's crazy. Volume buttons, control media. Oh, that's cool too. Control media with, well, of course. Wait. Volume up plus volume down to play / pause. That's neat. Swap based on orientation. Swap volume buttons when device is on landscape left or upside down. Ringer switch. What can you do with this? Hide HUD and vibration. Is there a HUD? But it looks so cool though. I don't want to get rid of that. Custom ringer switch action. Dude, that's insane. Reset. Yeah, I agree with you, Jose. That's insane. Like, I know a lot of people are upset by it because they're like, well, there's links and there's Springtomize 5, but you gotta remember, every developer is unique in how they build stuff. So it's just a different style. Yeah, you can do kind of the same stuff, but you can do more things and you can do things differently than other tweaks. So that's why I appreciate, you know, cool stuff like this, because every developer has their own style and way of implementing and coding it. It's just really cool. But let's try and put, how did you do that now? Let me see if I can't figure it out. So, status bar, time enabled. Aha, first line. Dude. Okay. So hour, minute. Second line. Oh, that's cool. Alarms, text color. Let's just respring and see what it looks like. I have no idea. I don't do hack stuff. I don't cover any of that. Oh, where's my second line? Oh, wait, what am I doing? Status bar. Time. Second line. Is there... Why is that? Do I need to enable it somewhere? Yeah, thanks, Andy. Yeah, I don't know. How much longer for 14.4.2 jailbreak? I don't know. Yeah, this is like... This one tweak is like already more tweaks than I already have on my iPhone. It's crazy. I don't know why I'm not getting the second line though. But I don't want it 24-hour either though. I don't like military time, so I'll do that first off. I don't know why second line isn't showing up. Formatting instructions. Okay, it's just a web link. Yeah, I know all that. Useful tweaks suggestions for football lovers? I'm not really sure. I don't really know why. I wonder if it's conflicting with another tweak. Status bar type, like that would be for like a legacy device, I'm sure. So, we'll just try and respring it again, see what happens. Yeah, dude, Orion is crazy. Okay, I still don't have the second line in the status bar, and I don't know why. And I always go into settings to change the tweak settings when it has its own app. And second line is month and day. Yeah, I don't know why. I'm doing something wrong, obviously. Status bar. Items customization. Like, maybe if I get rid of that. And yeah, I don't like it being backwards. I like it being like this. Oh, maybe if I save it. Now let's try and respring. Get that, like, nice bar X style. Dang it, it's not there. Okay, what tweak could be conflicting with it? Springtomize, maybe? I don't think I have anything enabled, though. Carrier, I'm hiding it. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I think it's another tweak that's conflicting, but I can't think of which one it would be. Springtomize 5 would conflict with it, I would assume, but I'm not using anything with it other than to just hide the carrier. Like, I wonder if coloration's messing with it. Or, I don't think Boxy would. Should I try that? Alright, good idea. Good shout. Good shout, Andy. Let's see if that helps. Hey, Andy saved the night. Yeah, I guess that was messing with it, right? Alright. So I need to... I mean, that's cool looking. What if I were to... colorize indicators. Cellular signal. Let me quickly... do that. This whole fade respring is like a new thing. Okay, there we go. Alright, now back into Orion. Status bar, colorize indicators. So it should be inactive for me. Let's do like this. Just do a gray color. Here, I'll change this to like a whiter one so I can see what state it's showing me. Well, the fade respring is the tweak itself. I need to hide lock screen stuff because there's too much stuff now. Cool. Actually, you know what I think might look cool? If we go to status bar and then we go to time and then first line, if we do this and then let's make it not padded and then do, can you do like another date format like this and make it one line? And then second line, just get rid of that and then save it. And then let me save it. Does that make it one singular line then? Let's try it. Ooh, it looks a little weird. So I need to... How can I lower that? Well, I always do that. Status bar. Time... Isn't there... well, let's drop that down to like 10 maybe. Oh, use only one line at the bottom. Okay. And maybe I'll try it at like 11 to see how that looks. Trying to make it look simple. Needs to be a little bigger. Dang it. I'm going to do that like 8 million times. I'm probably going to do that in the review of it too. Time. First line. Size 12. Let's see what 12 looks like. 13 might be the sweet spot though. We'll see. Nope. Yep. 13. I think that'll be my sweet spot. Oh, the two lines look cool though too. I'm just messing with it, seeing what looks cool. But it needs a different color though. Where's color? Enable custom. Yep. So let me make my grays match. So this is like the vibrant orange gray. So vibrant orange. And then we need to do status bar. That's where I already was. Indicators, orange. Oh, that's pretty cool looking. I dig it. All right, I will be right back, dudes. Gotta go to the bathroom. Be right back. All right, I'm back. As far as from my opinion so far, I think Orion might be a little bit better. I think there's just way more options with Orion, but Lynx 2 is still a good tweak. Orion just has so many options. Like, I almost want to disable Big Sur Center and just see what I can do with the Control Center, too. Like, what is this? Rows, columns of module on CC, rearrange toggles, background style, toggle color, confirm before, okay. So, I mean, that's just the freaking power module, connectivity module. Enable rearrangement. What does that do? You can rearrange all of those. Respring the device for this page to be populated with the... Okay. Five o'clock in the morning. It's crazy. It is 9:20 for me. And where am I at? An hour and a half or so. Probably stream just a little longer, then I'll hop off here for the night. I might record a video yet tonight. That'll come out probably tomorrow at 5 or Sunday at 5. I can't remember where I'm at with backlogging. Okay. We're not going to mess with the control center right now. We need to mess with the lock screen, though, because it's all a mess. Alright, general. Media player and notifications. Oh, yes! That is so good that it has offsetting for notifications in media player. I love that. Enable auto-rotate. Dark lock screen. Not wake screen on flashlight. Hide lock icon. Is that showing for me? No, I must be using Lock Plus to hide that. Disable while charging. Camera page. Visual hints. Remove that. Remove that. Enable custom. Oh, what? But I don't have passcode on this phone. I could turn it on, but I don't really feel like doing that. Okay, let's get rid of those things quick. Do I use Easy Weather when jailbroken? No, because widgets with Zen HTML is much easier to use than Easy Weather. Plus, Easy Weather is iOS 14.4 plus. Okay, so my home bar is still there. Dang it. Lock screen. Where? So let me get rid of the date because I like it simple looking. General. Where's the home bar? Oh, MagSafe animation, hell yeah. Where is the home bar for the lock screen? Disable swipe for camera. I actually like that idea. Sometimes I accidentally swipe over to the camera. It's really annoying. Hide a lock icon. Make corners round. I don't see the home bar. Maybe it's somewhere else. Quick action buttons. No, those are just the quick action buttons. System? Is that what it is? But is it going to be the whole... System. Where's system? I don't want to hide it everywhere though. Oh, general. Got you. Enabled. Okay. Goodness gracious. Dude. Oh, there's so much stuff. Okay. Alert style cursor. Smooth. Oh, it's got smooth cursor movement too. Dude, that's such a cool tweak from back in the day. I forgot what it's called, but that was a cool tweak where the cursor just doesn't bounce from letter to letter. It just smoothly types. Aha, home bar. Home bar options. Oh my god, this has home bar customization too. Wait, why does that go away when it's turned on? Does it mean hide it? That must mean hide. I literally have a tweak for this from June's iPhone that I don't need because of this tweak now. Hides it everywhere? Yeah, I mean, I don't mind. Huh, I wonder why. There's got to be a way to have it separate. How could you have a tweak this crazy and not allow it to be separate? Hide cell separators. Animated table cells? What is this? What is this? What? Okay. You need to respring if you just enabled the animated table cells option. Style and duration options do not need a respring to take effect. Scroll below to check each option in action. Okay. Now let's see if I can remember how to get back to this in Orion. Because it's like going through a dictionary to find these preferences. Okay. So that's like that one tweak. That's crazy. That. Okay. System. Where was it now? Was it down here? Okay. Animated table cells options. So, okay, I get it. So this is just all a test. All right, I got you. I thought this was all stuff. All right, yeah, that's what it, okay. Yeah, this is just like, what's that tweet called? That's nice looking. Whoa. That's trippy. Anti-clockwise? That's funny. slide from bottom. Whoa. That messes with my eyes. Slide from left. Whoa, that's trippy looking. Slide from right, slide from top. Stretch from center. Stretch from center and bounce. Whoa. But now, can I go up in here? Yo. Alright. Oh, it broke it. Oh, I broke it. Do I have to back out for it to take effect? No. Yeah, cask. That's right, Jose. Yeah. It's crazy, dude. Is barrel built into this? Or, I mean, what's it called? The anime, cylinder. Cylinder Reborn. Is that built into this too? I bet you it is. Like, I feel like it is. I can't be doing this colorized stuff, though. It's cool that you can do that. Turn that off. Okay. And respring. It's cool looking, but it drives me nuts. Okay. Back up in here. Yeah, look-see or whatever. I don't get notifications on this, though. I wonder if it has a test notification. Jesus. This module shows custom view when a notification arrives and the screen is off. It can have a solid or a blurred background and show a preview of the incoming notification. It has a nice visual effect if used alongside the edgy module. There are many options to customize it. Well, yeah, that is definitely true. There are many, many options to customize. Share this one? This wallpaper? Yeah, I could do that. There you go. Bam. Okay. Oh yeah, that's cool. Return to messages on close. Easy switch iMessage SMS. Holy moly. Dial screen tabs. Oh. This tweak is mind-boggling, dude. The other one? I don't know which one you're talking about. Oh, the like the first wallpaper I had. Yeah, I got you. Here. How about that? Enjoy. No problem, dude. The fingerprint on the lock screen is Jelly Lock Reborn. Just a warning, it's a little buggy right now. The developer is still working on updating it. but it's still pretty cool looking. Like if you haven't seen it, you just grab on it and then you can jump to whatever application like that. Oh, let me sweet. Yeah, it's like short look. I don't have a tweak to send. Like, I don't think that by sending a test... Let me try this. I think I know how I can test it. I don't, like, have any notifications on this phone, except for Alt Store occasionally. But I can't trigger that automatically. So, let me... So, Looksy, it's on. So, let me try this. If we go to Velvet, will Velvet trigger it? So, it's going to be lock screen notifications. Down at the bottom, I think there's a test. Oh, it's in the upper right. There it is. So does this do it? No, it doesn't. It doesn't let me preview Looksy. Unfortunate. Why was I in Twitter? That was weird. Kicked me out. Let me try to do that. Hey, what's up, dude? From Argentina. Thanks, man. Trying to go hard in 2021. Upload every single day, the whole year. As long as there's no issues with YouTube itself, with trying to give me strikes for having tweaked repo links and stuff like that, dumb things. Laters. All right, back to this. This might be like one of the craziest tweaks of all time, honestly. Like I thought Spring to My 5 was crazy. This is on a whole nother level. Hello from Romania. Yeah, you and a lot of people are waiting for that 14.4 jailbreak. And I'll quickly mention the 14.4s through 14.4.2 jailbreak real quick. So 14.5 has been in beta for a very long time, way longer than normal. So when 14.5 is actually released and we get the security contents, I think there's going to be a lot of bug patches. And the chances of there being like a kernel patch is pretty high. And with that being said, if those kernel bugs get released after Apple's not signing 14.4.2 anymore, those can be used for a jailbreak. So just be patient. There will be some more information about that after 14.5 comes out. So just be patient. I think the chances are very strong that we'll see a 14.4 through 14.4.2 jailbreak. So that is the firmwares to be on, unless you're already jailbroken and lower than that. So that's my little tip on the jailbreaks tonight. All right, what can we do with notifications? Can we make notifications look like how Velvet does it without having Velvet? Because if that's the case, that's crazy. Interaction with notifications. Open notification on tap. Easy notification swiping. Copy notification text. Oh, that's cool. You can copy the text. I don't know what I would need to copy, though, but pull down to dismiss all. Notifications looks. Enable larger icons. Hide app name. Hide no older notifications. Notification center. Hide notification center. Hide notification center title. Time information. Corner radius. Oh, there is a test. That was a cool bounce look, wasn't it? Boom, boom. That's sweet looking, right? Checknix. Yeah, buddy, you figured it out. Congrats. I've heard it's a challenge. If I had a Windows machine, I would learn how to do it, but I just don't have a Windows computer right now. Maybe in the future if I really, really, really need it. But having Mac, I don't really need it. So test banner. It's so nice that this has this here. I didn't know it had it here. Notification corner radius. So I don't see any coloring options though. So Velvet is still needed, which is cool. Because I like Velvet. I think Velvet looks cool. What if I do that? Enable larger icons. Does that not do it for banners? Hide app name. Must be for in here. Nope. Probably need a respring for that to take effect, I'm guessing. What does this mean? Easy notification swiping? I don't know. So there's no coloring option, so that's okay. So I need Velvet still. I don't know. I have Big Sur Center right now, so... And I think I have Sugarcane installed too, so it will show for me. Like if I do this, that's Sugarcane, the tweak that puts that percentage there. But in reality, do you really need a percentage there? Like, it looks cool. It's just kind of for looks, I think. Like, you don't really need to know what brightness percentage you're at exactly, because you can look at the slider. Today page and widgets. What do we got going on in here? Disable search bar. Let's do that. Hide time. Top iPad widget. Battery widget. Show percent in battery rings. Hide bold percent label. Hide empty rings. Double tap to switch to low power mode. Old widgets. Enable old widgets options. What is this? Colorize background. Oh. Okay. Battery line. Dude, yeah, like, well, I don't think you need to, like, I don't know. See, it sucks because Lynx 2 is really cool, and also the developer's a really cool guy. So it's not like you don't want to, like, just get rid of it. It's always another option, but damn, Orion is crazy. Activate Big Sur Center? Well, it's just a tweak. I did a review on it earlier. Alright, so this... I don't think that... Let's try this real quick. Let's try the shortcut thing again, the trick. So let me update this setup. Update current setup. Ready to update your modified setup, Killa. Okay. Okay. Killa updated. Switch to another. Reload Killa back to menu. And then switch by name. Alright, let's see if Orion's settings change here on me. I'm curious. This shortcut is next level. So cool. Dude, it did. Oh, it's awesome. So it changed all the Orion settings too, and it reverted back. So it does affect Orion. And if you guys are curious, I'll show you it again. So this shortcut is called Snapshot 6.9. So basically what this shortcut does is it allows you to save an entire jailbreak setup. all the tweaks, all the preferences of the tweaks, the themes you're using, the wallpaper you're using, and you can switch between them. And I'll show it again in action. So we'll switch back to the Killa one that I'm working on right now. Boom, it just does a respring. And bam. And we got a battery bar up there. That's interesting. It doesn't show up on the... Huh. Whatever. But anyways, that's how the shortcut works. And it's available, of course, in iHeaven in shortcuts. Bam. So if you want Snapshot, as you can see, I was talking to Tito about it. Getting it up and running on the Taurine jailbreak, so it should work Uncover and Taurine. Very cool shortcut. For those of you that like to use, different setups while jailbroken, very, very useful. And the battery bar doesn't show up on my my stream or on the screen recording. Interesting, but I want to get rid of that. Battery line. Shut that off. I don't really care to have a battery going across my notch. Hey, thanks for stopping by, Jose. Hope you have a great rest of your night. Yeah, like when I go into shuffle now, I feel like there's like nothing in here. Like, this doesn't seem like that much stuff to me in comparison to Orion. I don't even know how I'm going to begin to like review this. Free customization. Check out Cydia Geek's tweaks. His are all free. I'm sure you could probably search like Zebra like Cydia Geek. Here, I'll try it. Oh. Cydia Geek. Author. Bam. That's why Zebra is so good. So these are all tweaks that Cydia Geek has made. Oh, a couple of repos ain't working. So look at this. These are all free by Cydia Geek. Isn't that crazy? All by Cydia Geek. So there's a good place you could start. Bam. No problem, dude. Do you happen to know if Orion has an option to modify how many icons per row or columns can be added to the springboard? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it has it. I like using Boxy because Boxy's super dope, and you can like just do this. And it's freaking awesome. And plus the developer is amazing. So Boxy is always going to be my first option for springboard customization. But Orion, home screen, in here somewhere. Yeah, right here. Home screen layout. Oh, it's iOS 13. Maybe it doesn't. Home screen layout, iOS 13. So you can do custom scaling. Maybe it doesn't. But like I said, I recommend Boxy. question. In iOS 14, Apple put the app library. Can you move the icons within the library? And is there a tweak to remove the folders look within the app library? I don't think there's really anything that tweaks out the app library yet. Developers are still kind of learning how that works. It's very weird how the app library works on iOS 14. So give them time. I'm sure we will see tweaks. And speaking of Boxy, I'm gonna go ahead and put a plug in here for my dude. If we go here, if we go to settings, tweaks, you go into the Boxy settings. As you can see, there's a Twitch link there, right? The Twitch logo below the YouTube. Bill live streams Boxy 4 and other tweaks that he's creating. He literally live streams like him coding tweaks, and you can see how tweaks are coded. He also takes tweak recommendations in stream as well. So if you have a tweak idea, you can drop a comment in his live stream and he might put it on his list of tweaks to make. Super cool. So check out Bill on Twitch. He's awesome. Quick plug for him. But yeah. App library disabler. Yeah, so you could probably just not use it. Is that app library disabler? Whoop. Now to figure out how it's spelled. Nope. So it must be a space. Oh, I'm an author. I'm a dum-dum. Oh yeah, right here. Who's this by? Thomas, I don't know who he is, but yeah, I guess there's a tweak to disable the app library if you don't want to use it. Big shout, Andy. Simple free tweak. App library controller, what does this do? Oh, yo, what is this? Hold up. App library controller. Control app library, compatible iOS 14, obviously. Select UI style of app library, default, light, dark. Select mode. Show hide notification badges, rounded search field, list headers, category settings, labels of categories, background of categories, folder settings, titles inside of folders, labels, and then activator listeners, show app library, hide app library. So here, if you want to customize the app library a little bit, or a lot of it, you can use this tweak. So that's cool. Looks like it's nicely put together too. And repo, big boss. Cool. A free alternative for home screen customization? Ooh, I don't know actually. I am not sure on that one. I can't think of any off the top of my head that would allow you to customize icon layout for free. 2 hours we've been going with the tweaking. That's pretty cool. I'm super curious on this new tweak that came out. I'm just nervous. Let me see, where is it? So I'm using the latest tweak that allows you to customize the keyboard. And then I'm using Polyphian's from his repo, the gold and the MacBook Gold or whatever. But I seen earlier, if I can find it, I can't remember the name. It's around here somewhere though. Make your device stand out. Photo doc. Right here, this. So theme creator, it lets you latest theme creator. This is an application which will let you create themes for the latest tweak. Is this, oh, buy $1.29. Should I buy this and see what it's like? I'm curious if I can make a cool keyboard theme for that. $1.29 might be worth. Let me hold on. Okay, iPhone, that one. Okay, we are disabled. I just want to make sure I'm disabled on the stream. Okay. Oh, this is geometric software. I think I tried to purchase through this at one point, and for some reason I couldn't get it to work. I'm not going to worry about it right now. I will, on my off time, play with this tweak. Let me turn that back on for you. Yeah, I don't really want to purchase anything on stream. I feel like that's just a bad idea. I would recommend Boxy for home screen customization. The developer is actively working on it, improving it, making it better on iOS 14, and it's just cool, man. Like, you can just, like, you can move this wherever you want. You can pull out the gears. You can change how many icons, like the rows and columns. You can click this button, and it gives you fine control over the padding, the bottom padding, left padding, top padding, icon size. And then there's even more settings in here. Enabled, you have your quick settings enabled, quick settings color. Boxy has the ability to show app library, so you could churn that off. He is working on a you used to be able to have a per page icon layout as well, so if you want the icon layout on different pages different, you could do that. I don't know if it's working right now though. Then you have general configuration, show badges, page control, icons, labels, square icons, hide dock, icon layout settings, so on and so forth. And then widget customization, so customize widgets. You can add shadows, change the opacity, X offset, Y offset, shadow radius, border. You can have a border as well, which is really cool. Speaking of widgets. No. I like the way it looks. Now playing icon? I'm curious. Oh, is that just gonna overlay the album art on like the music icon? Oh, it works with Spotify too. Interesting. That's free and that looks cool. All right, but yeah, we're at the over 2 hour mark. Still going. Get some water. Alright, I feel like I still haven't seen everything that Orion does. Somehow. I somehow feel like there's even more. Oh yeah, I got rid of that tweak. Clear cache. Oh my god, you can have this? Open docs directory and app directory? Remove badge, rename app, set custom badge, add wipe data. Don't want that. That's iOS 13. Hide shortcuts. Hide, add to home screen, cancel download, configure stacks, edit home screen, hide app. Okay. That's super cool. I've never seen I don't think I've ever seen a tweak do that where you can force touch and jump into files though. Yo, that's cool. So I can literally, here, let's open app directory and files. Let's see if this works. Yo. Crazy. That's super cool, actually. Let's do this. What's docs? Library. Crazy. App directory, app.app. Mind-boggling. The date on the status bar, that is with Orion tweak, which I've been playing with most of the stream because it's insane. Absolutely insane. Like, this is a top 3 tweak of all time. Honestly. It's so insane. Oh, my back is getting sore. Let me switch back to the Leto because I want to adjust the Orion stuff with that. Because the Leto setup's just kind of my go-to setup just because it's Leto and it's just dope. So let's do this. Switch by name. Leto. Bam. Orion, yeah, it's a couple of dollars, but it's worth it. Oh, check rain? No, jailbreaks will never cost money ever, and if they do, it's not real. The developers will never charge for a jailbreak. Okay, so now I've totally changed all the settings, so Springtomize is but I'm going to lose the Springtomize dock effect. And I love this dock. Does Orion have a dock effect? Let me look. Hold on. Enabled. Dock. Custom dock radius. Single color. Custom number of dock icons. Okay. Custom dock icon scale. You can't get the cover flow effect like Springtomize though. Dang it. I love how this dock looks with the cover flow. Like 3D look. How to get the shortcut? Oh yeah, okay, yeah, so you do need one package. Alright, so before you install the shortcut Snapshot, you will need date. It is so you need this package right here, okay? SSH toggle and port from the Big Boss repo. So you need this package, and it will install all of these other dependencies, as you can see it here, all of these other open SSH tweaks and whatever they are, packages. So once you install that, then you can go into iHeaven. And then right here, as you can see, literally this message right here. from Tito. Here's a new one. I removed the search blah 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 iCloud shortcut. So install the tweak from Big Boss and then just install the shortcut, and that's all you got to do. Super useful shortcut to switch between setups on a jailbroken device. It's so cool. Saves everything. All your tweak settings, your wallpaper, all your theme settings. But yeah, once you... also, I can't really demo it because I already have it installed, but the shortcut, when you install it, it's going to ask you for your SSH passcode. If you have not changed it manually, it'll be by default Alpine. If you have changed it, put your password in there, and then just click on OK. So it's like the initial setup of the shortcut. But like I said, if you've never changed your SSH passcode, it's by default it's just Alpine, ALPINE, all lowercase. It'll already be generated in there, meaning you won't have to add it. You just click OK. And then once you've done that, you can just run the shortcut. And it's really easy to run. Like, you literally just click it, and you can see everything. Like, speed setup, or I just do save new setup. And then there's info and how to on the bottom. So if you want more information on it, just go ahead and read this. Bunch of options. Made by Tito. Amazing. Amazing shortcut. I got to do a video on that yet too. I got a lot to cover. A lot to do. But yeah, we've been going a little over 2 hours here, so I might be heading out. I think I covered and played with everything that I wanted to. I mainly wanted to play with Orion and some other tweaks. So I got to do some more learning for the review on them, figure out how I want to review it, the shortcut as well. So, but yeah, it's after 10 o'clock for me, so it's time for me to head out. I just want to say thanks to everybody that stopped by. It was fun to chat with you guys. It was fun to hang out. Big shout to the super chats. It's much appreciated. But yeah, I'll be live streaming again probably next week. Not sure exactly what time or day, but I will try to keep you guys up to date on it. But anyways, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out, y'all.